Welcome everyone to today's Lock, Trust, Lunch and Learn. Our topic is AI and the return of human creativity, how founders can finally get back to their purpose. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore how AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to give founders back what's most precious: time, creativity, and focus. Joining me are two incredible voices, Gina LeBlanc, CEO of Lock Trust, and Jean-Marc, investor and strategic advisor, who brings the capital perspective. Let's jump in. Let's start with the truth we all know. Founders didn't sign up to spend their days buried in dashboards and emails.
Exactly. Founders begin with a spark, a vision, a product idea, a frustration that becomes an innovation. But somewhere along the journey, vision turns into management, creativity gets replaced by constant firefighting, and the role shifts from creator to operator. The average founder spends 60 to 70% of their time on repetitive tasks, 20% on high-level decision-making, less than 10% on imagination, strategy, and creativity. That imbalance slowly suffocates the business's soul.
From an investor lens, we see the effects early. Founders who become operators lose their strategic altitude. They stop innovating, they stop inspiring, and companies plateau not because of the market, but because the founder's bandwidth disappears. This is where AI becomes transformative, not as a replacement for people, but as a restoration of leadership capacity.
Now let's talk about the shift. AI isn't just about automation anymore. It's about empowerment.
Exactly. Automation replaces effort. Empowerment restores human creativity. As a researcher, AI can instantly gather data and insights, saving hours of manual analysis. As a creative partner, it can brainstorm ideas, write compelling content, and design campaigns in seconds. As a connector, AI ensures customers feel seen and heard with personalized intelligent service. This isn't losing control, it's gaining time, energy, and clarity.
And this empowerment translates into measurable value. Teams can innovate faster, bring products to market more efficiently, and maintain stronger customer relationships, all while keeping founders focused on vision and strategy.
Interestingly, the smarter the technology gets, the more human business can be. How does that happen?
AI gives us back the time to spend with customers, really listen to them, and redesign products based on human stories. It helps scale empathy, remembering birthdays, following up thoughtfully, and creating relationships that feel personal again. This is the new high-tech meets high-touch economy.
And investors love this. Companies that scale compassionately, not just financially, tend to see stronger loyalty and retention, which drives long-term growth. Human-centric companies retain customers longer. They have lower churn. They develop loyal communities, not just user bases. When AI amplifies humanity, retention and revenue follow.
So what happens when busy work disappears?
Creativity reignites. AI gives founders mental bandwidth, the oxygen of innovation. Now they can design new products, write visionary content, reimagine customer experiences, lead with inspiration, not exhaustion. It's not just about working faster, it's about making work meaningful again. AI gives founders mental oxygen, and when founders breathe, companies evolve.
From an investment standpoint, this is gold. Founders operating at their creative peak make bolder moves, pivot smarter, and build companies that stand the test of time. Your creativity is the asset. AI just protects and expands it.
Let's talk about customer service. It's no longer a department, it's a philosophy.
AI allows us to understand tone and emotion in messages, generate natural, caring replies, escalate real issues to humans instantly. Support becomes proactive instead of reactive. Used wisely, AI restores trust, empathy, and connection at scale. We can finally bring humanity back into the digital world. AI handles the first layers, humans handle the meaningful layers.
And this directly impacts the bottom line. Customers notice when interactions feel authentic. That trust and loyalty translate to higher retention and revenue.
To wrap up, AI isn't the end of humanity in business, it's the rebirth of it. It hands founders back the gift of time to create, connect, and care again.
AI gives founders back the one thing they can never buy more of: time. Time to create, time to listen, time to lead with purpose. When founders return to their purpose, the company grows not just in revenue, but in soul. That's the true power of AI in business today.
And for investors, that's the kind of founder-led, human-centered growth we're excited to back. Companies like these set the standard for the future of entrepreneurship.
Thank you all for joining today's session. Remember, AI isn't here to replace your creativity. It's here to amplify it.